Solve x to the fourth plus 2x squared equals 8. Now, first off, to solve this equation, we're going to move all the terms to one side. So we're going to subtract 8 to get this. And next, there are actually a couple different ways we can solve this equation or factor this polynomial. But one way is, notice that it's in quadratic form. So because we have this middle term, x squared, if we squared the variable, we would get x to the fourth. And so we can let u, a new variable, equals x squared. And so our equation will become, in terms of u squared plus 2 times u minus 8 equals 0. And now we can solve this quadratic equation, or factor it at least, in terms of u. So u plus 4 times u minus 2. And now we're going to plug back in u equals x squared. So we have x squared plus 4 times x squared minus 2. And now we have two binomials set equal to 0. So we can solve, or set each one equal to 0 and solve for x. On the left here, you can see if we subtract 4 from both sides, we'll get this x squared is equal to a negative number. And so x is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 4. Now, there's no real solution for this equation, but if we're looking for imaginary solutions, the square root of negative 4 becomes 2i, and so x equals plus or minus 2i. Now, for the other one, if we set this equal to 0, add 2 to both sides, take the square root of both sides, notice we're going to have plus or minus. Remember, when you take the square root of both sides, keep in mind that plus or minus. We have plus or minus the square root of 2. And so our four solutions are plus or minus square root of 2 and plus or minus 2i.